In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Store not loading. If the store won't open, spins forever, or errors out, it's often due to time sync issues, network settings, or security protocol misconfigurations. We'll walk through a reliable sequence to fix those, and I'll explain what each change does so you understand why it works. Start by checking your clock, because Windows services, including the store, rely on accurate time to validate secure connections. Right-click the time and date in the bottom right corner of your taskbar and choose Adjust Date and Time. Toggle Set Time automatically to off. Wait a moment, then turn it back on. This forces Windows to refresh your time source. Next, under the Additional Settings section, click Sync Now. You should see a confirmation that the clock was synchronized. With time corrected, many certificate and connection problems clear up immediately. Now we'll verify your internet options. Press the Windows key and R together to open the run box. Type inetcpl.cpl, and press Enter to open Internet Properties. Go to the Connections tab and click LAN Settings. Make sure Automatically Detect Settings is checked. This lets Windows discover the right configuration from your network. If Use a Proxy Server for your LAN is turned on, uncheck it unless you know you specifically need a proxy. A misconfigured proxy can block the Microsoft Store from reaching its servers. Click OK to save. Still in Internet Properties, switch to the Advanced tab at the top. Scroll to the bottom and ensure Use TLS 1.2 and Use TLS 1.3 are both checked, then click Apply. These are modern security protocols required by many Microsoft services. If they're off, secure connections may fail silently. Next, let Windows diagnose and repair your network components. Press Windows key and I to open Settings. Go to System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Find Network and Internet, or it may appear as Network Adapter, and click Run. Follow the prompts. The troubleshooter will check your adapter, DNS, and WinSock configuration, and if needed, reset the network stack. When it completes, allow it to restart your PC. After the restart, try opening the Microsoft Store again. With your time synced, proxy disabled or auto-detected, TLS updated, and your network stack refreshed, the store should load normally. If you're on a work or school network, check with your administrator before changing proxy settings. Otherwise, these steps resolve the vast majority of loading issues without reinstalling anything.